Let's learn about the latest 3D printing technology. There are currently two most common 3D printing technologies. The first 3D printing technology built three-dimensional objects by depositing a viscous material layer by layer and allowing it to solidify. Another technology called volumetric printing adds photosensitive resin to a container and then solidifies it by illuminating it. However, these technologies have limitations, such as the inability of light to penetrate skin and biological tissues, limiting their in vivo applications. To overcome these limitations, scientists at Duke University and Harvard Medical School invented DAVP technology. The technology uses a biocompatible ink, called sonic ink, which heats and solidifies when it absorbs ultrasonic pulses. In theory, sonic ink is injected where the implant is needed and then an external probe is used to emit ultrasound waves. The sonic ink can be solidified into the desired shape, and the remaining sonic ink can be taken out with a syringe. The advantage of DAVP technology is that it is non-invasive and can print implants directly in the body without surgery, greatly reducing surgical trauma. It is also customizable, allowing personalized implants to be designed and printed based on the patient's specific conditions. Lastly is the versatility, being able to print different types of implants such as bone, cartilage, blood vessels, etc. Its future development is very potential. Let us look forward to what good news it will eventually bring us.